Well, I'm officially stuck in the freaking sand right here. It doesn't look like there's any good way out of this. I don't know. I just want to get right there. Just right up there. God, this river's so freaking shallow. This is crazy. Well, I gotta find a way out of this conundrum. Man, what a fiasco. That was difficult. I had to get wet. I had to drag my boat, I don't know how many yards, but it was a ways. Barely made it. Went from like 6 inches, 8 inches to 28 to 29 feet right here. There's always a hole right here. Not here, but back there. But there's always a lot of snags in it too. So I'm gonna try up here. It's about 8 feet. A lot of debris and stuff. See if I can catch anything just right back behind the boat. Start with a chub and night crawler and see what happens. Had to come to the shade. I completely forgot it was sunny. Oh, what a fiasco. Well, I made it. Yay. Let's get to fishing. Now they say winds out of the east, they bite the least. Wind out of the west, they bite the best. We got a severe, strong west wind. And I hope that says something for the bite today. And I'm gonna just, I'm staying overnight tonight too. I'm gonna sleep on the boat. Bugs ain't bad yet. Hopefully the wind dies down. I'm out of the wind right now, but boy, oh boy, I tell you what. That wind is freaking strong. I had a heck of a time getting up here. I'll say that one more time, but we'll see what we can do. I brought me some food. I brought some beer. The only thing I brought was night crawlers and chubs. Hey, one chub's not doing so well. They're really still. I think they don't, it's really cold water. Maybe that's what it is. But anyway, night crawlers and chubs and some potatoes, some sausage, and I brought some shrimp kebabs. Yay. I'll have to make a fire though to get those suckers going. I hope all my fish don't come off this pole. This is like the luckiest pole I have, and I've yet to catch a nice fish on my whisker seeker rods, which I really, really love. But it's like they're bad luck or something. This one, AKA Sir Benz-a-Lot, Shakespeare bank stick. It's one lucky son of a gun. We got a fish right when that boat's passing. I couldn't tell you how many times that's happened to me. He's pulling line out. Just gonna try it. Nope. Dang it, I didn't get him. That sucks. Boy, he's taking mine out. I don't know what it is, but yikes. Off the night crawler. What is going on? Holy smoky cow. Get out of whatever you're in. Go on, get out of there. Oh, he's whipping his tail like a channel. Ah, he was snagged up on something, but now he's out. Just crushed it. Wish I would have had my camera on. I mean, he crushed it. This could be a gar. I don't have the best of hook on here, so, oh man. Chub just got hit. Whatever it is has got weight. That's some crazy weight to it. Well, not crazy weight, but he's 10 pounds, I bet ya. Just want to see you, bud. Yeah, big channel cat. Yikes. Big channel cat. Holy smokes. That's fun. I thought it was at first. I just want to still go that way. Get out of my motor. Man, he must be heavy. He feels heavy. He feels crazy heavy. Stay out of my motor. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I haven't had one fight this hard in a long time. Dude, he won't give up. I think it's because the water's so warm. Get out of there. No. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. Look at the size of that thing. I'm babying him because I got a wussy hook on here. And I don't know how good, oh, he swallowed it. Well, holy cow. He's halfway wore out, I think. What a nice one. Just cream puffed it. Oh, he's not hooked the best. Holy smokes, I'm gonna have to lip him. Oh, he's hooked in the bottom. Can't lip him. Jeez. Well, let's hope I even get him in, because I'm not real sure how to grab this dude. Dude, he's a big one. They don't get much bigger than that around here. Holy cow. Well, they get bigger, but that's a nice channel cat right there. Dude, that thing is fat. That's a big boy right there for a channel. I tell you what, I'm actually gonna weigh that dude. $9.14 3/4. He's almost a 10-pound channel. Look at that dude. Holy smokes. 10-pound channel cat's a big channel cat where I come from. I've seen bigger, but not much. That's a big belly. What a big girl. That was off Nightcrawler. A whole worm. Let's let this dude go, because I sure ain't gonna eat that. And I ain't gonna let all them eggs it looks like she's got go to waste. So let go. You're free, bud. As soon as it lets go, there she goes. Bye-bye. On Sir Benz-a-lot. Again. Never fails. Getting another bite. Doesn't seem near as big. It's definitely a bite. Man, has he got it? No. Well, yeah. Sure does. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? Oh, he's wrapped me around something. He was moving upstream. Ah. Oh, he's got me around something. Dang it. Not a lot I can do about that. Dang, my bait's gone. It's all gone. No more bait. Yeah. I'm gonna do what I thought what I said here. Brought some shrimp shish kebabs that are seasoned, but I don't think that's gonna matter to the fish. They're raw, so I got this inkling they're gonna bite them. It's supposed to be part of my supper, but ain't gonna hurt nothing, is it? I just snag one of them, put them back like nothing happened. Hopefully the missus don't find that out. Yeah, right. I don't have no missus. Nobody to tell me otherwise. I'm gonna... Oh, they're seasoned really well. Let's put this guy on a hook. It's even shaped right. Look at that. Let's try that. Man, that looks cool. Oh, something's got the shrimp. Something's got the shrimp. Oh boy, something's got the shrimp. You let it go? Probably, because I wasn't paying attention. Got most of my shrimp. Well, I think I can afford to dedicate one of these shish kebabs to bait. Just destroyed that sucker. Oh, don't throw bait in the water. They'll eat that instead of your bait. That's on your hook. If that's the case, and I feed them all, I'm in the wrong freaking spot. God, they smell delicious. I'm definitely going to eat these with my mouth later. There's no doubt about that. Well, I didn't use my free hand to turn my, I didn't even have a free hand. I reeled them in real quick because I didn't want them getting away. Little drum guy. He's going to be cut bait. So, caught my cut bait. Sweet. Put him back there for now. Get a fish on. Oh, cut chub. Man, what a fiasco. Got a better hook and setup on this thing. I gotta choke up to him though so I can get to my motor. Oh God. Little channel. Man, I was up there collecting wood. This guy just creamed it. Cool. It's gonna be a good night. I really think this is gonna be a good night. What a nice fish. He's a pretty guy. I'm not gonna weigh him, but he's 3 pounds. Nice noggin on him. I think that's a female. I don't know. She's not pregnant though, so looks like a female to me. Did it have to be so big to get pregnant or what? Well, let's let him go. Let her go. It's probably a good eating size. No bumps. Looks pretty good. A few scaves from the line. Nice fish. Got one more piece of firewood to get. That's not enough, but I'm going to pretend it is for now. There is actually, I've been standing here looking, there's some on the sand, but man, that stuff always stinks. It stinks bad. This stuff is fresh derecho, whatever you say. It's all fresh. Just like all this stuff that's down in the woods. Snaps real nice. And man, that looks good. Dang it. Well, I drove around and found this place. But I just gotta say, that's some pretty darn good artwork up there. Dorsey, Jazer, I don't know. But nice pickle dude. Nobody's tagged over top of it because I think it's got some respect. That's pretty good stuff right there. But let's unload this stuff. I don't know how muddy it is over here. Looks pretty bad. Dang it. That's okay. What would have went through right there? Huh. Well, let's unload some wood. And I seen a nice hole right out here. Looking really good to fish. So actually, I'm just gonna start fishing. Well, it's gonna be getting dark soon, so thought I'd tell you what I have going on. I got cut carp in the center on the Lucky pole, aka Sir Ben's a lot, and then 2 live chubs, one on a drift rig and the other one Carolina rigged. It's just easy for me, Carolina rig most stuff. But anyway, I gotta get a fire going. I gotta get some chow. And the wind could stop. It's died down quite a bit, but it needs to like go away. It's still probably 15-20 mile an hour wind. Crazy. But anyway, we're fishing. We're fishing in a new spot. I'm anchored off. I'm staying here for the night. Put my mat out here, out of my boat, so I don't get muddy when I go up to the fireway. But overall, I'm gonna be staying in here. It's gonna be a fiasco trying to mess with this muddy stuff in the morning, but we'll deal with that in the morning. Tonight we're gonna have some fun, hopefully catch some fish. Something's got this one, this chub. Something's running with it. It's probably a gar. I'm just gonna set hook, see what we got. Oh boy, we got something. Live chub. Channel cat. Oh, little flathead. Little flathead. First flathead of the year. All right. Check that dude out. Over here where I'm not making my bed. Heck yeah. Dinner. I'm keeping them. Nice flathead. I haven't kept one in probably, oh, it's had to have been years since I've been able to keep a flathead. Oh, there it is. I think he'll be fine till tomorrow. Chub's still alive. I'm gonna toss him back out there. That was pretty cool. Boy, she's a windy one today. I can just light this paper towel. It should be good. It should start itself. Hey, looky there. Fire's going pretty good. That's good. Oh, shoot. We got another fish. Oh, yeah. Another one picked it up. Hopefully it's another flathead I can eat. Oh, boy. He's heavier. Yeah, he's heavier. I think it's a flathead. I honestly think it's a flathead by the way it's fighting. Oh man. Oh no. Oh. Came off. No way. That's always terrible. I think that was a flathead. The way he was fighting. Well, that sucks. Let's get another chub on. May 1st, 2021. Oh, I forgot to mention where I am. Well, you should probably know where I'm at. If you guys are river fishermen here in the Des Moines metro area, you know that I'm at this old road off Army Post that is blocked off. You can walk all the way down to the river. In other words, I'm in between Vandalia Boat Ramp and the water treatment plant. I think this is some kind of electrical plant, majogger thingamajig over here in this area. I don't know. Something pulling on it again. Oh, got him. I wonder what it is, a gar or something? Something funny. All the way up here in the shallows. Oh boy. No, he's heavier than I thought. Brought me in that snag. Brought me in a snag. Got him out. Big gar. Holy cow. I don't like gar. Boy, it's about that time. Guess I need to get some pliers and a light. For our neck of the woods, he's kind of big. I don't know. He swallowed it too, didn't he? Get that sucker out of there. Yay. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Just throw it back out? Yeah, let's do that. I think it'd be fine. Rehook it, though. I think I'll just rehook it on the other nostril. He's still alive. Let's do that. Let's cast it back out there real quick. Got a pole going off. Oh man. Off the live chub. Oh, I think it's channel. He's on though. Oh gosh, what is that? Well, it's fighting funny. It's either a channel or like a walleye. I think it's a channel. I can't see anything. You can't see anything. Oh, he's nice size. Whatever it is. It's another flathead. Well, that's a nicer flathead too. Oh, that's another flathead. I can see it. Oh yeah, sweet. Uh-huh. Ah. Oh yeah. He swallowed it though. Depends on if I can get it out or not. What a nice flathead. He's a eater. Yep. Tore the hell out of my hand though. I didn't let go when he flopped and flailed. Well, let's see if we can get the hook out of his face. Boy, he nailed that big chub. He wanted it. Let's reach my hand inside of there, I guess. Get the chub out. Where's my line? Oh, it's wrapped around his fin. That's what's going on. Get the chub out of there. There we go. What a fiasco. I think he's gonna survive. What'd I catch him on? Oh, he's bleeding. Live chub and a drift rig. I'm gonna keep him because he's bleeding. We'll keep the bleeding fish. Let's go do that again. Well, I think it's about time for bed. Well, that means basically I'm gonna lay down for a little while. Hopefully hear a pole go off. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Got my bed made. Gonna sleep right here next to my fishing poles. Okay, I think we got something big. I think we got something big. I don't know yet, but oh gosh, because it just destroyed this live chub. Oh gosh, he's going upstream. Yeah. Oh yeah. Got something big. Yeah, we got something big. Oh boy. Don't have much for camera here. He's all over the place. Well, he's not that big. Oh gosh, I don't even know what we got. Oh, he's making a lot of noise. Oh, he's a big channel. Oh man. We got another big channel cat. There they are. I found my pliers. Oh my gosh. I was looking all over on the boat. Oh, I couldn't find them. I didn't know where the heck they were. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's heavy. She's super heavy. This got to be another 10-pounder. Holy smokes. That's a big channel cat. Again. And it falls down into the abyss. It's a nice channel. I would say Another one. Holy smokes. Another nice channel. I would say 8 to 9 pounds, 8 to 10, I don't know. Again. But we'll let her go. Let's go for some more. We're putting some new chubs out and going back to bed. It's something else to be woke up by a fishing pole. Well, we got another one. I think it's a channel. I don't know. I can't tell. Honestly. Whoa. Jeez Louise. I don't know what it is, actually. It's acting like something stronger than that, but that's another channel cat. Oh, he swallowed it. And oh, I just woke up. I don't want to deal with it. I can't get the freaking hook out, but probably another 8 or 9 pound channel cat, maybe 10, I don't know. Well, the channel cat have seemed to basically be about the same freaking size. My bait was gone on my other pole. I had a fish on one, obviously. I had to cut the hook. I just went ahead and rebaited both of them. Put a new hook on one. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. The sun, or the moon, is just coming up right now. Hopefully I get woke up again. Hopefully I do, and hopefully I don't. I don't know how to feel about that. I'm freaking tired, but both poles are back out there. Bait alerts are on. I'm going back to bed. Maybe I'll see you again. I don't know. Otherwise, see you in the morning. Both fish got away. I'm not surprised. It's only the second time I've lost fish off this particular stringer, so I'll just go ahead and throw it in the garbage. Dang it, I can't weigh those 2 flathead, and I can't eat those 2 flathead. Well, at least we got them on camera. I am definitely gonna use a different stringer. I think I'll just keep that one for crappie specifically. I'm guessing they pulled on it hard enough to open up the thing. That sucks. Something's got this one. I don't think he's got it though. Oh yeah, he does. Oh, he's heavy too. He's acting like a flathead. Early morning flatheads. He bit like one. Oh man, he's heavy. He's gonna be the biggest one yet if this is a flathead. Well, I think he's gonna be the biggest fish yet, no matter what. Too big for me to keep though, I think. Oh, this feels really nice on this rod, I tell you that. Tell you what. If it's a gar, he's big. If it's a channel cat, he's really big. It's really subtle fighting though. He hasn't even fought yet. I think this is a, oh, I see bubbles. Oh boy, this is a big flathead. I have a feeling. I see a lot of bubbles. Unless it's a turtle. Could be a turtle. It's not acting real turtle-y though. Yeah, it's a big turtle. Ah, sucker. That's a big turtle. Holy cow. It's a big boy turtle. That's why it feels like I'm snagging on something. He's clawing the ground. How am I gonna get this dude off? See if I can find some pliers. That's a big sand turtle, man. Soft shell turtle, sand turtle, whatever you call them. He's got some power. We'll let him go. What a beast. I was not trying to get that hook out by his face. He's biting. He's trying to bite something. I wasn't even near him, but he was certainly trying to bite something. Well, I didn't do an intro, I just realized, but I don't really care. It's not a bad overnight, really. 3 channels pushing 10 pounds, 2 flathead, small channel cat, and lots of bites. 2 gar, one was a big gar, and then a big sand turtle. Not bad. I brought a dozen chubs and I'm down to 1, so that's what I was hoping for. I was hoping to run out of bait, and I almost did. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Yeah, it's probably a little guy. Wish my filming skills were better, but they're not. I guess you're just gonna have to deal with that, because it's difficult to film and do something at the same time. It either A, takes longer, or B, I suck at it. I think both. But anyway, I gotta get going. Actually, I don't have to get going, but I probably should get going. I'm worried about my trailer for some reason. I always worry if somebody's gonna steal my trailer. It's a nice trailer, and that would be really, really poopy if I got back there and I didn't have a trailer. Gosh, that would suck. I don't know what I would do at that point. I don't even know how I'd get the boat home. To call a tow truck of some sorts. Put it up on a flatbed, maybe? I don't know. Something. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, thanks for watching Tally Go.